Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Ankit Buddhiraja. So you can see my contact details on the board. It is 93106038881 and 93109166864. So guys, if you need any help in physics or maths for CBSE or JEE mains, you can contact us for online and offline classes. So we can help you with that for 11th and 12th class. Physics and Maths 11th and 12th CBSE and JEE mains. Okay, for online and offline classes. So guys, today's topic for discussion will be integration. We will be discussing some questions on integration for CBSE. So let us start with that. Okay, we will be discussing some questions on integration for CBSE. So our first question is sine 3x cos 4x. Integration of sine 3x cos 4x dx. Okay, so this is our question. So what I will do, I will multiply this with 2 and I will divide this by 2. I can do that. I can multiply something with 2 and I can divide this by 2. 2 and 2 will get cancelled, so it will remain as it is. So now what is 2 sine A cos B? Formula for 2 sine A cos B. It will be sine A plus B plus sine A minus B. Okay. 2 sine A cos B will be sine A plus B plus sine A minus B. Applying this formula here, I will get half as it is, this half as it is, integration of sine A plus B. What is A? 3x. What is B? 4x. So sine 3x plus 4x will become 7x. Okay, dx plus sine A minus B, 3x minus 4x will become sine of minus x. Sine of minus x dx. Okay, any doubt? So I can write this as this half as it is, this half as it is, integration of sine 7x. Integration of sine will be minus cos and 7x, so divided by 7. So this will be 1 by 7 cos of 7x. This minus sign will come out. Sine of minus x is minus sine x. So I can write this as minus integration of sine of x dx. Okay. So this I will write as half of this term as it is, 1 by 7 cos of 7x. Integration of sine is minus cos. So minus minus will become plus. So plus cos x plus constant of integration in indefinite integration. So this is the final answer. So we have applied the formula 2 sine A cos B will be sine A plus B plus sine A minus B, where A is 3x and B is 4x. Applying this formula, we have solved this question. Okay. So I believe it was an easy question. It was an NCERT question. It was not a tough question. Okay. So let us move to the next question. Note it down. First note it down. So I am erasing it. So now I am moving to the next question. Okay. Okay. So the next question is sine 4x sine 8x. Integration of sine 4x sine 8x dx. Okay, again in this question I will multiply this by 2 and divide this by 2. I can multiply anything with 2 and divide by 2, so it will remain as it is. Why I am doing this? Because I know the formula for 2 sine A sine B. What is the formula for 2 sine A sine B? it will be cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. This is the formula for 2 sin a sin b. 2 sin a sin b. This will be cos a minus b. So a will be 4x and b will be 8x. This will be a and this will be b. Okay. So 2 sin a sin b will be cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. Applying this formula, I can write this as, my question will reduce to half of integration of cos a minus b cos 4x minus 8x cos of minus 4x cos 4x minus 8x cos of minus 4x minus cos 4x plus 8x 12x. Okay, so integration of this with respect to dx. Okay, so what is cos of minus theta? Cos of minus theta is cos theta, so I can write this as half of integration of cos 4x dx minus half of integration of cos 12x dx. I can write it like this. We know that integration of cos theta is minus sin theta, so x is multiplied by 4. So what it will become? This half as it is, this half as it is. Integration of cos will become sin, so I can write here as sin 4x, but x is multiplied by 4, so we have to divide this by 4. Okay, minus half of integration of cos. Integration of cos will become sin, angle as it is, 12x as it is, but this x is multiplied by 12, so I have to divide it by 12 plus constant of integration. So what will be the final answer? Final answer will be 1 by 8 sin 4x minus 1 by 24 sin 12x. Okay, this was also an NCERT question and I hope it was not a tough question. So you can note it down, note down the answer. I have applied the formula 2 sin a sin b will be cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. Okay, using this formula I have solved this question. So note down the solution. Simply note down the solution, then I am moving to the next question. Okay, I am erasing it. I hope you have noted down the solution. I am erasing it, guys. Okay, okay, so what is my next question? My next question is integration of 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x dx. Okay, this is my question. It is also an NCERT question. Integration of 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x dx. We have to find the value of this integral. So we know that 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2. 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2. So applying these two formulas, my question reduces to integration of 2 sin square x by 2 divided by 2 cos square x by 2. Okay, dx. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Sine upon cos will become tan. So my question will reduce to integration of tan square x by 2 dx. Am I right? So I can write this tan square theta, I can write as secant square theta minus 1. So this will reduce to integration of secant square x by 2 minus 1 dx. Can I write it like this? Tan square theta will be secant square theta minus 1. Now what? What will be the integration of secant square x by 2? We know that differentiation of tan theta is secant square theta. So integration of secant square theta will be tan theta. So integration of secant square x by 2 dx minus integration of dx. Am I right? This dx will multiply with 1. So minus integration of dx multiplied by this. Okay. So now what? We know that differentiation of tan theta is secant square theta. So integration of secant square theta will be tan theta. So this will become tan x by 2 divided by 1 by 2, which means multiplied by 2. X is divided by half, x is multiplied by half, so I have to divide by half. So it will become 2 tan x by 2 minus integration of dx will become x plus constant of integration. So this is the final answer. I don't think it was a tough question. I have just applied the formula. 1 minus cos x will be 2 sin square x by 2. 1 plus cos x will be 2 cos square x by 2. And then I have solved the question. Okay. So guys, please note down the solution so that we can move ahead to the next question. Please note down the solution. Okay. So that we can move to the next question. So guys, I am erasing it. I hope you have noted down the solution. So I am erasing it so that we can move to the next question. Okay. So what is the next question? It is also not a tough question. Okay. So the next question is cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha. Cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha divided by cos x minus cos alpha. Cos x minus cos alpha dx. So we have to integrate this. Okay guys, we have to solve this question. Alpha is a constant, x is the variable, and we have to integrate with respect to dx. Okay, so we know the formula. Cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta minus 1. Applying this formula in the numerator, I am not touching the denominator. I am only manipulating the numerator. So my numerator is cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha. It will become 2 cos square x minus 1 minus 2 cos square alpha minus 1, right? In numerator it is cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha. Cos 2x I can write as 2 cos square x minus 1. Cos 2 alpha I can write as 2 cos square alpha minus 1. So this minus 1 minus minus plus 1. Minus 1 will get cancelled with plus 1. So I will be remaining with 2 cos square x minus cos square alpha. So this is a square minus b square. I can write this as 2 cos x minus cos alpha into cos x plus cos alpha. Can I write it like this? A square minus b square will be a minus b into a plus b, and 2 cos square x minus 2 cos square alpha. I have taken 2 common out. Okay. So now what? In the denominator I have cos x minus cos alpha, and in the numerator also I am getting this term cos x minus cos alpha. So if I divide this numerator with cos x minus cos alpha, so this term will get cancelled with this term. So what I will get in my question will reduce to twice of cos x plus cos alpha, and remember guys, alpha is a constant. Okay, so x is the variable. So what will be the integration of cos x? Integration of cos x will be sin x. So it will become 2 sin x. Cos alpha will come out of integration. Cos alpha will come out of integration because it is a constant. So I can write here plus 2 cos alpha, integration of dx will become x plus constant of integration in indefinite integration. So this is the final answer. It was not a tough question. We just have to manipulate the numerator. I have simply applied the formula. Cos 2 theta will be 2 cos square theta minus 1. So cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha. Cos 2x will become 2 cos square x minus 1. Cos 2 alpha will become 2 cos square alpha minus 1. Minus 1 and minus 1 will get cancelled. So then a square minus b square, a minus b into a plus b. So it is cancelling with denominator. So I am left with integration of 2 cos x plus 2 cos alpha. 2 cos alpha is constant. It will come out of integration, and integration of dx will become x. Okay. Please note down the solution so that we can move to the next question. These are all NCERT questions and these are important for CBSE. Please note down the solution so that we can move to the next question. Okay guys, I hope you have noted down the solution. I am erasing it. Okay. Okay, so I can see that my next question is cos 2x. My next question is cos 2x divided by cos x plus sin x whole square dx. So we have to find the value of this integral. Cos 2x divided by cos x plus sin x whole square. So I can write this as numerator as it is, cos 2x dx divided by a plus b whole square, means a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, am I right? So I can write this as numerator as it is, cos 2x dx. What is cos square x plus sin square x? 1 plus what is 2 sin x cos x? Sin 2x. Can I write it like this? 2 sin x cos x will be sin 2x. Now what I will do? I will put the denominator as t. I will put 1 plus sin 2x equals to t. Then what I will do? I will differentiate both the sides. So differentiation of 1 will become 0 plus differentiation of sin 2x will become 2 cos 2x dx. Am I right? Differentiation of sine 2x will become 2 cos 2x dx, and differentiation of t will become dt. So what I can see, cos 2x dx. Here I have cos 2x dx, so this will become dt. So my question will reduce to cos 2x dx will become dt by 2. Here I have 2 also, so cos 2x dx will be 2 will go here, dt by 2. So it will be half of dt divided by 1 plus sine 2x. 1 plus sine 2x is t. Okay guys, so it will be half of log of mod of t. What was t? T was 1 plus sine 2x plus constant of integration in indefinite integration. So my final answer will be half of log of mod of 1 plus sine 2x to the base e plus constant of integration. Okay, so these are important questions for CBSE guys, so you can have a look at this. It was not a tough question. I have simply applied the formula 2 sin x cos x will be sin 2x. Then I have put the denominator as t, and then I have differentiated both the sides. My question has reduced to integration of dt by t. Integration of dt by t is log to the base e mod of t. Okay, please note it down. Please note down the solution so that we can move to the next question. Okay friends, I am erasing the solution. I hope you have noted down the solution. I am erasing the solution. Okay, so we are moving to the next question. It is sine inverse of cos x dx. We have to integrate sine inverse of cos x dx. Okay, these questions are important for CBSE. These are all NCERT questions, so I don't think these are tough questions. These are all easy questions guys. So what we will do in this question, first of all I will put cos x as t. Then what I will do, I will differentiate both the sides. Then minus sin x dx will become dt. Okay, or what we can do in this question, we have one more option guys. This is cos inverse of, this is sine inverse of cos x. I can write this as integration of sine inverse of cos x. I can write as sine pi by 2 minus x. Can I write it like this? Can I write it like this? Can I write cos x will be equal to sine 90 minus x? Can I write it like this? Cos theta will be equal to sine 90 minus theta. Then sine inverse of sine theta will be sine theta. So my question will reduce to pi by 2 minus x dx. So it will reduce, my answer will be pi by 2 x minus x square by 2 plus constant of integration. So it was not at all a tough question. It was an easy question. It was a simple question. It was an easy question. Cos x I have written as sine 90 minus x, and then sine inverse of sine theta I have written as theta. Sine inverse of sine theta I have written as theta. Okay, so please note down the solution. I am moving to the next question guys. Okay guys, I am moving to the next question. Okay, so my next question is cos x minus sin x, cos x minus sin x divided by 1 plus sin 2x, 1 plus sin 2x dx. Okay guys, so this is my question. My question is cos x minus sin x, and in denominator I have 1 plus sin 2x. So I have to find the value of this integration. So in these type of questions, what I want to tell you friends, whenever in the numerator we have cos x minus sin x, or we have sin x minus cos x, or we have sin x plus cos x, which means if we have any combination in the numerator of sin x and cos x, sin x plus cos x, sin x minus cos x, or cos x minus sin x, and in the denominator we have sin 2x, then it is a standard question. What I will do, my first step will be I will simply what I will do, I will integrate the numerator. I will integrate the numerator. So it is cos x minus sin x. Okay. So when I will integrate the numerator and I will put that as t, that will be my first step. So what is the integration of cos x? Integration of cos x will be sin x, and integration of sin x will be minus cos x, minus minus will become plus, so I can write here plus cos x, and this will I will write as t. This is my first step. Whenever there is a combination of sin x and cos x in the numerator, sin x plus cos x, or sin x minus cos x, or cos x minus sin x, and in the denominator we are having sin 2x, then my first step will be I will integrate the numerator. I will integrate the numerator and put the value as t. So what is the benefit of it? The benefit of it, this will be I have put sin x plus cos x as t. Now my second step will be differentiation. I will differentiate both the sides. In the numerator, I will differentiate both sides. Okay. So what is the differentiation of sin x? Cos x. What is the differentiation of cos x? Minus sin x dx. This is dt, and you can see guys, cos x minus sin x dx, cos x minus sin x dx, this is dt. So my numerator has become dt. Now what about denominator? So sin x plus cos x I have taken as t. Now what I will do, I will square. I will simply square on both the sides. Square on both sides. So what is the sin x plus cos x is t. So squaring both the sides, I will get sin square x plus cos square x plus 2 sin x cos x equals to t square. Am I right? What is sin square x plus cos square x? 1. And what is 2 sin x cos x? Sin 2x. Am I right guys? So 1 plus sin 2x is in the denominator, and that is coming out to be t square. Am I right guys? I have simply taken sin x plus cos x as t, then I have squared both the sides. So I am getting 1 plus sin 2x will be t square, and 1 plus sin 2x is in the denominator. In the numerator it is cos x minus sin x dx, and cos x minus sin x dx I am getting as dt. So my question will reduce to My question will reduce to integration of dt divided by t square. Am I right? So this will be minus 1 upon t plus constant of integration. So what was the value of t? T was 1 sin x plus cos x. So my answer is minus 1 upon sin x plus cos x plus constant of integration. This is my final answer. These are standard question, guys. These are good question. It was a good question. Important question from CBSE point of view. Please revise this question twice. Please revise this question twice. Okay. So please note down the solution, friends. Note down the solution. Understand the solution. Note down the solution. Okay. You can pause the video and you can understand the solution. You can note down the solution. So I am moving to the next question, friends. Okay. Okay, friends, so I am moving to the next question. I am moving to the next question, friends. So my next question is not a tough question. It is an easy question. Sine square x divided by 1 plus cos x dx. I have to integrate this. So any idea how we will solve this question? What will be the first step? I can write sine square x as 1 minus cos square x divided by 1 plus cos x. Am I right? I can write it like this. Then this is a square minus b square. A square minus b square means a minus b multiplied by a plus b. Can I write it like this, friends? Divided by 1 plus cos x. Can I write it like this? Dx. So 1 plus cos x will cancel with 1 plus cos x. So what I will remain with? I will remain with integration of 1 minus cos x dx. So my answer will be x plus, no, integration of minus cos x will be minus sin x plus constant of integration. This is the final answer. Integration of 1 will become x, integration of cos x will become sin x. Okay, it was not a tough question, friends. It was an easy question. Sin square x I have written as 1 minus cos square x, then 1 minus cos x, 1 plus cos x, and I have solved it. Okay, so now I am solving a good question. Now one more question, friends, from NCRT, and I believe it is a good question. So I am erasing it, friends. Okay, so now what is the question? Now we have a question, dx divided by cos x minus a multiplied by cos x minus b. Cos x minus a multiplied by cos x minus b. Okay, we have to find the value of this integral. Okay, so what I will do, I can see that this is x minus a and x minus b. So what I can do, I can write x minus a minus x minus b. Can I write it like this? In the numerator, I am not touching the denominator, friends. I am not touching the denominator. Simply in the numerator I have written x minus a as one angle minus x minus b as the other angle. So x and x will get cancelled and I will remain with b minus a, right? So what I am doing, I am taking sine of this. I am taking sine of this. So basically this is my first angle. This is my x minus a will be my first angle and x minus b will be my second angle. So I am taking sine of this. So x and x will get cancelled and in the numerator it will become minus will become plus. So b minus a. So it is sine, basically it is sine b minus a. So I have to divide by sine b minus a because I am multiplying by sine b minus a. So I am dividing it by sine b minus a. And this term is as it is, cos x minus a into cos x minus b. Okay friends, so this term is as it is. Sin b minus a is a constant, it will come out of integration. Okay, now what? Now I can see sin a sin theta 1 minus sin theta 2. So we know the formula for sin theta 1 minus theta 2. I can write that sin a minus b will be equal to sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Can I write it like this? Where I can say that this angle will be a and this angle will be b. Can I write it like this? So this is sin b minus a, it is a constant, so it will come out of integration. So my question will become 1 upon sin b minus a, right, integration. So this is sin a minus b. So I can write this as sin a, which means sin x minus a into cos b, cos x minus b minus cos a, cos x minus a, cos x minus a into sin b, sin x minus b, sin x minus b, right? And in the denominator what I have, cos x minus a, cos x minus b, cos x minus a, cos x minus b. This is in the denominator, friends. Now can you solve this question? See, when I will divide this denominator with the first term, then what I can see, cos x minus b will get cancelled with cos x minus b. So what I will remain with, sin x minus a divided by cos x minus a. So this term as it is, 1 upon sin b minus a as it is a constant, integration of sin x minus a divided by cos x minus a will be tan x minus a dx. Am I right? And when I will divide this term with the second term, then I can see that cos x minus a will get cancelled with cos x minus a and I will remain with sin x minus b divided by cos x minus b minus integration of sin x minus b divided by cos x minus b is tan x minus b, right friends, with respect to dx. So this sin a minus b is completely out of integration, so I can write this as 1 upon sin b minus a. So tell me friends, what is the integration of tan x minus a? What is the integration of tan theta? Integration of tan theta is log of mod sec theta. Am I right? Integration of tan theta integration of tan theta d theta is log to the base e mod of sec theta. So this will become integration of tan x minus a will become log to the base e mod of secant of x minus a, and integration of tan x minus b will become minus log to the base e mod of secant of x minus b. Okay, so this is the final answer. So what we have done in this question, my question was dx divided by cos of x minus a cos of x minus b. So I have multiplied and divided by sin b minus a. So here in the denominator it is b minus a, in the numerator it is x minus a minus x minus b. Then I have taken this angle as a, this is b, sin of a minus b I have written as sin of a minus b sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. I have applied this formula. This angle is a, this angle is b, and then I have divided by cos x minus a cos x minus b. So my question has reduced to integration of tan x minus a minus integration of tan x minus b. So integration of tan x minus a is log of mod of secant of x minus a to the base e. Integration of tan x minus b is log of mod of secant of x minus b to the base e. So this is the final answer, friends. So guys, if you have learned something new in today's session, please like my video, please subscribe to my channel, and please press the bell icon for more updates, for more questions on CBSE, for more questions on JEE Mains, for more questions on NCERT, for more questions on integration, differentiation, differential equations, calculus, vector 3D, trigonometry, algebra. So we will be posting more questions. Please subscribe to my channel, friends. Please like my video, and wish you all the best. We will be posting more questions daily. So this was all for today, friends. Thank you very much.